3rd, 2011. We're in Long Beach, Mississippi, experiencing continued battering from Tropical Storm Lee, which is just sitting stationary off the coast. This is the second day now. It's supposed to continue for yet a few more. I don't know to what extent we're going to be able to see much of anything, but we're going to give it our best here. And I know the harbor and everything is closed, so... And I'm narrating right now because if I should open the windows or try to get out to shoot, I'm sure that you won't be able to hear me over the wind. So we'll just take our best Beach Harbor, guys. And I don't know if you'll be able to see, but the water is very, very high. And the water is very, very ugly. Tropical Storm Lee battering the Long Beach, Mississippi coast. Saturday, September 3rd, Long Beach, Mississippi. Tropical Storm Lee battering our coast here. Not pretty. Not looking good, gang. Tropical Storm Lee. Today is Saturday the 3rd, and we're getting hit here in Long Beach. Street flooding. Just getting hammered, guys. Winds are blowing about 35, 40 miles an hour. Thank goodness the wind hasn't been too horrible yet. Fun with Tropical Storm Lee. They've got all the parking lots and everything shut down. I can't get down near the water, really, to show you how bad it is. But it's bad. Better get home and get safe. Love you guys. Godspeed, and I hope everyone weathers the storm. Driving through town on Saturday, September 3rd, during Tropical Storm Lee. Here we go. Labor Day weekend. This would normally be party time and holiday on the beach, and it's anything but. Sorry if the camera still think I'm trying to drive a stick shift in high winds and heavy rains and commentate at the same time. So, and anybody who knows me knows I can't chew gum and walk at the same time. So, doing the best I can here, gang. I'm saying prayers for everyone that we weather this storm the very best that we can. It's a pretty brutal storm that's just stationary, just sitting out there hammering the coast. It's just not moving. It's been sitting pretty much in the same place for the last 36 hours or 38 hours. And it's not showing any signs of making a move. We expect at least another 48 hours of this hammering, which is going to cause extensive flooding and erosion and all that fun stuff. So hang in there, gang, and hope everybody is safe and secure and got what they need, and taking cover. And I encourage everyone to stay home. So God bless, Godspeed, and let's get through this one too. Love you.